Good morning, everybody. It's Quail Mama on the 20th. Looks like all the new babies did the night just fine. That's good news. Let's come over here. Very happy with the progress here. Doing good. Well, we're supposed to get some fallout from that Hurricane Hillary, I guess it is. Be nice if it put some of the fires out around Canada, the other states. And I'm sure my plants will be happy to get a drink of water. But should be interesting for the little birds here. Hopefully they don't get too wet and traumatized. I'm sure they'll be fine. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great day. And we'll check back with you a little later. Have a great day. Bye for now.